Good morning student and welcome to the online math class, and today I explain the exercise 9.1 because Arjun sir is started the exercise or a chapter of some application of trigonometry. That's why we have to start this exercise today, and after that we have to continue the statistic exercise. Your exercise first video we have to send yesterday, not today, yesterday, and I hope you have to do all the work in your notebook and also prepare this exercise at your home for your exam. Now we have to start the exercise 9.1. Here the question number 1 is, you see on your screen, question number 1 is a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tidally stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30. तो you very well know here कि one rope is attached with the pole. Okay, so let you suppose that कि this is your pole, just like this is your pole. We have to suppose this is a pole and we have to stay here, and after this we have to connect these things. इसके टॉप को हमने इसकी rope, with the help of rope we have to connect with the earth, and then after the foot and the earth we have to adjust it. So by this way this triangle is to be made. So this is your pole and this is your rope. I will again repeat कि this is your pole. तो ये आपका क्या है, pole है, and this is your rope, ROPE, this is your rope. So here you very well know who is the pole and who is the rope here, and then after this rope is tightly bounded with the earth. Here this is your rope, this is your pole, and this is your rope. Okay, this is your pole and this is your rope. So then after you very well know कि here which type of triangle is formed. This is triangle is right angle triangle. Here this is your 90 angles. So we have to apply all the condition that is teach in the chapter introduction of trigonometry. Just like we have to apply here sin theta rule, cos theta rule, tan theta rule, cos theta rule, cosec theta rule, and sec theta rule. By this way you are solve this question, and also you know all these formulas properly. तो here you know कि which value is given here. तो rope value is given here, तो we have to write the rope value. तो 20 meter rope is there, and then after this rope is connected with the earth and make the angle 30. You very well know and see here the rope, the angle of rope is 30. So that's why we have to connect these things, and then we have to find, first of all you have to find कि which value we have find in the question. तो क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, हाइट ऑफ रोप फाइंड करना है. तो हाइट आपके पास कौन सी है, ये है. तो दिस इज योर हाइट ऑफ रोप. तो यहाँ पर हाइट ऑफ रोप आपको फाइंड करनी है, और ये आपके लिए क्या है, यहाँ पर एज ए परपेंडिकुलर है, यानी कि ये हमारे लिए क्या हो गई, परपेंडिकुलर. दिस इज योर हाइपोटेनियस and this is your theta. Then after what is the relation between a perpendicular and a hypotenuse, you very well know. So relation is this sin theta relation. This is your relation, sin theta relation. So you very well know the relation is in between the sin theta. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. You very well know sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So then you have to put the value of perpendicular and hypotenuse here, just like that. This is a वैल्यू ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेनियस. तो साइन थीटा की प्लेस पर आपके पास 30 है, तो वी हैव टू पुट हेयर साइन 30 इज इक्वल टू what is your perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB. This is your perpendicular. Okay, so we have to write here, this is your perpendicular. So AB upon hypotenuse AC is equal to sin 30, and then after we have to put the value of sin 30. Value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and equal to AB upon AC की value you have 20, and then after you have to solve this value with the help of calculation. You 20 is go outside the equal to, and then after AB is equal to 20 upon 2, and that's mean 10. So here the height of the pole is 10. We have to find the height of a pole is 10 in this question. So I hope you understood how to work with these type of question in the some application of trigonometry. Now we have to start our second question. The second question is this is your second question. So first of all you have to read this question and then after solve it. So here question 2 is a tree break down due to the storm and the broken part bent so that the top of the tree touched the ground, making an angle 30 with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touch the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of this. Here you very well know a tree. ये आपका tree है. This is your tree. And if any storm is going there, then this tree is pulled out here, just like that. Okay. तो ये वाला part जो उसका है, this part is moved to the earth. So that's mean now the condition is of the tree is just like that. This is your condition of a tree. Okay, then it is make the angle with the earth is 30. See in the picture, this is a 30 angle. See here, this is a picture. Okay, so here it make a 30 angle with the earth, and also the distance between the foot, this is a foot of a tree and this is a top of a tree. So the distance between the foot and tree, foot and top of the tree is 88 centimeter. Okay, so now you have to consider the total height of the tree. So first of all you have to find this value, that is your perpendicular, and then after you have to find the hypotenuse, and by this way you have to solve this question. So first of all you have to find the height of perpendicular of this, and then after you have to solve. So first of all you have to use the this value tan theta, because we have a relation between a height and the base. This is a height and base na. So here this is your perpendicular. Okay, so this is your perpendicular and this is your base. Now what is the relation between perpendicular and base? So here you know that relation is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and then after you see in the picture BC is a perpendicular and base is A dash C. So we have to write tan 30 is equal to BC upon A dash C, and then after put the value of A dash C 8, and tan 30 value you very well know 1 upon under root 3. Then we have to find the BC value. So BC is equal to 8 upon under root 3 meter. By this way you have to solve this, now find the value of perpendicular here, and then after we have to find the hypotenuse. So for this hypotenuse and the base, what is the relation between hypotenuse? This is your hypotenuse and this is your base. What is the relation between these? The relation is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Then after put the value of base and hypotenuse you have to find equal to root 3 upon 2, and then A dash B is equal to 16 upon under root 3. See in this here, this is your condition which I will explain here. We have to use the cos theta for finding the hypotenuse, and if we have to find the perpendicular, then we have to use the triangles. or sorry, tan theta here. Okay, if we have to find the perpendicular, then we have to use the tan theta. If we have to find the hypotenuse, then we have to use the cos theta. And after that we have to find all these value, perpendicular and hypotenuse, and add it, because this is the part of, this is the first part of a tree. This is your first part, this is your first part of a tree, and this is a second part of a tree, and add it. So then after we have to add it these things, and then we have to find the answer of that question. Clear? So by this way you have to solve these type of question, and this question is highly important for as a point of your exam. So you have to prepare this question. Once again you have to write in your notebook, and then after you have to write this question again in your rough notebook. That's why this question is help to understood the concept of total things, and then you have to write it in your exam properly. Okay, then we have to go the next question. Next question is, next question is, this question is quite easy, so you have to do at your home yourself, but I have to explain, so you have to see there. The question is, contractor or contractor plans to install two slides for the child to play in the park. For the child below the age of 5 years, she preferred to have a slide whose top is at the height of the 1.5 meter and is inclined at the angle of 30 to the ground. Whereas the elder children she wanted to have a step side at the height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? So here the two condition is given. फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज कि जो कंस्ट्रक्टर है वो प्लेन करता है फर्स्ट वाली स्लाइड को, जिसके अंदर जो हमारा यंगर पार्ट है, जो आपके यंगर्स वो हैं, वो बैठ करके स्लाइड पर प्ले कर सकते हैं, खेल सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट स्लाइड फॉर द यंगर चाइल्ड्स, एंड दिस इज़ योर सेकंड स्लाइड ऑफ द elder child. So same things you see in a park. The slide is to be the slide in the form of a hypotenuse. So you have to, first of all you have to climb on it, and then after you are slimmed on it, and then your you have to play with this. So you have a height of the slide is this 1.5, and this is the sliding part where you are slide. So this is your sliding part. So when you have to climb on it 1.5 meter, and then after you have to slide here. So by this way you have to play with these things. So here it will say you have to find the length of the slide here. So first of all you have to find the length of the slide here. So which things you have, कि slide is make the angle with the earth is 60, and also the height of a slide is 1.5 meter. So here this is your perpendicular, and here this is your base, and here this is your hypotenuse, and we have to find the hypotenuse here. So we have to use the relation between the perpendicular and hypotenuse, and this relation is sin theta, as you know that. So here the relation is sin theta. So sin theta, that means sin 30. So sin 30 is equal to AC, oh sorry, AB is your perpendicular na. So AB is your perpendicular, so this is AB. So AB upon AC. Okay, AB upon AC. Now sin 30 is equal to AB upon AC, and then AB is 1.5 upon AC you have to find, and sin 30 value is 1 upon 2, you very well know. Put the value of sin 30 1 upon 2, and then after you have to calculate or use the cross multiplication method, and then find the value of AC. So AC is 3 meter. Then after you have to solve the first slide of a younger child. Then after you have to solve the second slide. This is your second slide. Same things is given here. The height of the second slide is 3 meter, but its sliding part you have to find. What's the length of this sliding part? So you have to use the same things here. Sin theta you also use here, and then after you have to find the value of this. तो सेम थिंग्स यू हैव टू यूज़ हेयर. तो साइन थीटा आपके पास है ही यहाँ पर. साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा वेयर द एंगल ऑफ थीटा इज 60. तो यू हैव टू यूज़ द साइन 60 इज इक्वल टू PQ upon PR, and then after put the value of PQ, and sin 30 value √3 upon 2, and then after you have to find the PR is equal to 6 upon under √3, that's mean 2 under √3. After use the cross multiplication method, you have to find the PR value. Okay, so by this way you have to solve these question, and these question you have to write in your notebook, and a try for an other question that is given in your books, so that your concept is clear and strong for your exam. So thank you for watching this video. If any type of query you have, then you have to comment on my comment box on my YouTube channel, and then after we have to solve your query as soon as possible. And if any suggestion you have, then you have to you have also mentioned this suggestion in the comment box. Then after we have to apply in my next video. Then you have to know how to work with these things. Okay, thank you for watching this video.